For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video so you can easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the wording of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. Starting a cybersecurity business is a smart move in today's digitally connected world where threats are increasing daily. Artificial intelligence, AI, can streamline everything from setting up your company to analyzing threats and automating client services. Below is a step-by-step guide on how to start a cybersecurity business with the help of AI. Step 1. Identify your niche and services. Before launching your business, define what area of cybersecurity you want to specialize in. Common niches include penetration testing, vulnerability assessments, compliance and audits, HIPAA, GDPR, etc., endpoint protection, network security, cloud security, cybersecurity consulting, incident response, and disaster recovery. Use ChatGPT to brainstorm ideas and clarify your focus. Prompt: help me identify a profitable niche in the cybersecurity industry with growing demand and limited competition. Step 2. Create a business plan. A solid business plan sets the foundation for your success. Include market research, target audience, pricing models, startup costs, and operational structure. Use ChatGPT or Notion AI to draft your business plan quickly. Prompt: write a detailed business plan for a cybersecurity consulting company that targets small businesses in the healthcare industry. Step 3. Legal and administrative setup. Register your business and obtain any necessary licenses. Choose a legal structure like LLC or corporation. Open a business bank account and get cybersecurity insurance to protect yourself. Tools like Clerky, Stripe Atlas, or LegalZoom can automate business formation. Use ChatGPT for clarification. Prompt: what are the legal steps and licenses required to start a cybersecurity business in your state/country? Step 4. Build your brand and online presence. Create a professional brand, including a business name, logo, and domain. Build a website that explains your services and includes a blog to establish thought leadership. Use AI tools like Loca, logo generation, Durable CEO, or Wix ADI, AI-powered website builders. ChatGPT, copywriting for your site. Prompt: write homepage copy for a cybersecurity company offering penetration testing and incident response to fintech companies. Step 5. Develop service offerings and pricing. Package your services in a way that's easy to understand. For example, you might offer a monthly retainer for monitoring or one-off audits for compliance. Use ChatGPT to help shape your pricing strategy. Prompt: create a service and pricing model for a cybersecurity business targeting startups with under 50 employees. Step 6. Assemble tools and infrastructure. You'll need both standard and AI-enhanced cybersecurity tools to deliver services. Recommended tools include AI-enhanced cybersecurity platforms, CrowdStrike, AI-based threat detection, Darktrace, self-learning AI for network protection, SentinelOne, autonomous endpoint security, Silence, AI-powered antivirus, project management and support tools, Trello or Asana for managing client tasks, Slack for team communication, Zoho Desk or Freshdesk, AI-integrated client support. Step 7. Market your business. Digital marketing is essential to attracting clients. Use AI to create SEO-optimized blog content, ads, and social media strategies. Use Jasper.ai for writing blog posts and email campaigns. Surfer SEO to optimize blog content. ChatGPT to plan social media content. Prompt: create a digital marketing plan for a cybersecurity company focused on protecting e-commerce businesses. Step 8. Automate lead generation and sales. AI can help you find leads, nurture them, and close deals faster. Use tools like Apollo.io, AI-enhanced sales prospecting. ChatGPT, write cold email sequences. Prompt: Write a 3-email cold outreach sequence for a cybersecurity company offering free risk assessments to law firms. Use a CRM like HubSpot or Zoho CRM to track and manage leads efficiently. Step 9. Deliver services efficiently with AI support. AI tools can improve your service quality and reduce labor. Some examples include automated threat detection, Darktrace, SentinelOne, report generation, custom GPT workflows, real-time monitoring dashboards using AI-driven analytics, automated phishing simulations, and employee training. Prompt: help me create a client report template for a cybersecurity audit using GPT. Step 10. Build a scalable team and outsource when needed. Start solo or with a small team, then scale as your client base grows. Use AI to assist with hiring and training. Tools to help: Hire Easy, AI-powered recruitment, ChatGPT, onboarding and SOP creation. Prompt: create a standard operating procedure for onboarding a junior cybersecurity analyst. Freelance platforms like Upwork or TopTal can help you temporarily hire skilled cybersecurity pros on demand. Step 11. Provide ongoing client education. Educate clients to build trust and encourage long-term contracts. Send newsletters, host webinars, or offer training sessions using AI-generated content. Tools to use: ChatGPT or Jasper.ai for newsletter writing. Synthesia to create AI-generated video trainings. Prompt: write a 500-word newsletter educating clients about zero-day vulnerabilities and how to protect against them. Step 12. Monitor, improve, and innovate. Use analytics to measure your service effectiveness, website traffic, conversion rates, and client satisfaction. Continuously optimize based on insights. Tools like Google Analytics for site performance, Power BI or Tableau for dashboard analytics, ChatGPT for analyzing customer feedback and suggesting improvements. Prompt: analyze the following customer feedback and recommend improvements to my cybersecurity services. Final thoughts: AI is not only a powerful assistant, but a core part of modern cybersecurity. When used strategically, AI can help you launch, manage, and grow a successful cybersecurity business with more speed and precision than traditional methods allow. Focus on choosing a focused service area, using AI for marketing, operations, and service delivery, leveraging automation for scalability, educating clients, and providing value over time. By integrating the right AI tools at every stage, you'll gain a competitive edge and build a cybersecurity business that's not only effective but future-proof. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.